Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about a very useful soft skill, that is technical writing. This skill helps people to understand difficult or technical things in a simple way. Let's get started. What is technical writing? Technical writing means writing complex information in a clear and easy way. It is used to explain things like how a product works or how to complete a process. And the goal is to help the reader understand everything without any confusion. We use short sentence, simple words, and clear steps. Diverse applications. Technical writing is used in many places, for example, user manuals used for phones or laptops, reports and case studies in companies, instructional guides, and FAQs or help documents you see on websites. So, technical writing helps connect the experts and the users. So, why is technical writing important? Now, you might ask, why is this important? First, it helps users understand how to use a product or service. If instructions are not clear, people make mistakes and get frustrated. Second one is technical writing is used in many fields like IT, engineering, healthcare, and many more. And third one is good writing saves time and improves teamwork. That's why companies loves it. Where is technical writing used? Technical writing is used in almost every industry. Here are some examples of that. First one is software. Writing about APIs, SDKs, and how to use apps. Second, hardware. Manuals for installing or fixing devices. Third, medical. Reports for clinical trials and medicines. Fourth, finance. Writing reports and legal documents. Fifth, education. In education, making learning materials and online courses. And last one is manufacturing, writing safety guides and product documents. Key skills for writers. To become a technical writer, here are some key skills. First one is clarity and conciseness. Second one is subject knowledge. Third one is organization. And fourth one is visual communication. First is clarity and conciseness. This means your writing should be simple and to the point. Use short sentence, avoid big and confusing words. For example, instead of saying utilize the application accordingly, you can use the app correctly. Your goal is to make sure the reader doesn't get confused. Second is subject expertise. You must understand what you are writing about. Let's say you are writing a guide on how to install a router. You should know at least the basic parts, cables, IP setting, and Wi-Fi setup. You don't need to be an engineer, but you must research and understand the process well. Third is information architecture. This means organizing your content properly. Start with an introduction, then step by step instruction, and finally a summary. Think of it like a building a house. First the foundation, then the rooms, and then decoration. This structure helps the reader follow along easily. Fourth is visual communication. Sometimes text is not enough, so use images, charts, diagrams, or screenshots. Let's say you are writing how to log into a website. A screenshot showing the login page is very helpful. Visuals make the document more engaging and easier to understand. Let's move to the tools that technical writers use. Just like a carpenter needs a hammer, technical writers use software tools to make their job easier. First is authorizing tools. These are tools to write and format contents. Examples are Madcap Player, Adobe FrameMaker, or Oxygen XML Editor. They help create long and professional documents. Second is content management tools. These help you organize and polish documents on websites. For example, WordPress or Drupal are used for blogs and websites. Contentful is another tool where you can manage writing like a database. Third is API documentation tool. If you are writing for developers, you will work with APIs like Structure for Software. Tools like Swagger, Postman, or Stoplight help you to test APIs and create guides for them. Fourth one is version control tools. When working in teams, it's important to track who changed what. Git and GitHub and GitLab help to manage different versions of your documents. They are mostly used by developers, but many writers use them to when working with tech teams. So you don't need to learn all of this in one day, but knowing the basics helps a lot. Let's look at some real examples of technical writing. This will give you a clear picture. First, user manual. These are guides that come with your phone, washing machine, or even a video game. They tell you how to set up and how to use it safely. For example, plug the device into the socket, press the power button. It is simple and clear. Second, product description. These are what you read when shopping online. They explain what a product does, what features it has, and why you should buy it. Technical writers write these clearly so customers understand everything. Third is SOPs, Standard Operating Procedures. These are used in companies, especially in factories, hospitals, and banks. They give step by step rules that employees must follow to avoid mistakes and stay safe. Fourth one is help docs and FAQs. Ever gone to a website and clicked on help or support? Those pages are written by technical writers. They answer common questions like how do I restart or reset my password? How do I cancel my order? So now you can see that technical writing is all around us, even if we don't notice it. If you want to learn technical writing, here is how. Take online courses on websites like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Get certified, for example, by the STC, Society for Technical Communication. Then next, practice writing, work on small projects or contribute to open source. Then create a portfolio, collect your best writing samples. This helps when applying for jobs. Let's wrap it up. Technical writing is an important skill that helps make complex ideas simple. It is used in many industries and anyone can learn it with practice. Start small, stay clear, and always think about your reader. Thanks for watching.